On this slide, we are going to match the picture with the quote. So, for example, our bottom quote says, "I have a dream that my children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but their character." So we would drag that one over to this march where Dr. Martin Luther King is. The blue box reads, "One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world." So you're going to find which picture that matches and drag it over. Next, we have, "The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart." And last, we have, "To deny people their human rights is to deny their very humanity."